So it's May 16th, 2025. People ask me, okay, so you're hiccuping. How does it become a disability? Well, actually, it's very calm right now. So, that's doesn't necessarily make it a disability. It gets really aggressive. It doesn't like me talking, so it will hold up words and keep me from speaking. Then it gets really aggressive. Starts to get aggressive. I get choking spasms. See, like right now it's tightening. My esophagus is tightening up and making it really hard to speak. But if I stop speaking, it'll loosen up a little. It's just impossible to think. It's impossible to speak. Movement is a big culprit. So, I can't think. That's the other part. It's just hard to concentrate. Really what happens is that I become a liability more than anything. When this came on, I was working in surgery as a surgical tech. And I spent 10 months trying to work, and everybody really didn't want me to go, but the charge nurse followed me around, shadowed me without me knowing, and was watching what the other staff was concerned and complaining about. And I was at that time getting choking spasms like every 5 minutes. It was horrible because of the movement that I was doing. The work required lifting heavy trays. A lot of bending up and down. Tying my shoe actually is one of the most difficult things to do. Something about bending the waist, I don't know. I'm kind of rambling around because it's such a complicated condition. That I'm leaving out so much because it's just so complicated. I can't go out in the public very well because, if I'm having a choking spasm, people don't know that. They think that I might be choking on food. So somebody will come over and give me the high maneuver, and that's the worst thing you could do is touch me. And I can't speak when I'm having a choking spasm, so I can't direct or tell anybody to stand back or leave me alone or don't touch me. As you can see, I couldn't do any type of customer service. I actually had 2 careers that stopped immediately when this happened. Although I gave 10 months working in the hospital under this condition, they actually had me leave. They put me on temporary disability September 22nd, 2016. And it's just progressively have gotten worse over the years. Also in the entertainment business. And I can't go on any sets or sound stages now because I would just distract. They want silence, and so I can't just be silent. I can't be on jury duty. Not that anybody really wants to, but I would. I've been asked. I'm asked every year, and I have to have my doctors fill out forms. In fact, I was just requested again a couple weeks ago. Because the attention would be on me, and that's not where the attention should be. So it's so screwed up. I started a support group, and there's 600 and some of us now. We started out just a couple of us, and our stories, although we all started differently, our symptoms are the same, but the way we might find our way out, which very few have, is very different for everybody. So it's a tough way to live. I wouldn't wish this on anyone. I thank you for your support.